Welcome back to the Vaugh Show. Today we are going to the Brooklyn Bridge. So this is like my second vlog, y'all. So we're going to the Brooklyn Bridge. So but before we get started, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. And subscribe to all of my social medias. Someplace, they're gonna pop up on the screen someplace. So make sure y'all subscribe, okay? So here we going to the Brooklyn Bridge, right? This is like my second time going, y'all. So we just gonna go. The weather's actually nice today, so I can't complain. I thought it was gonna be really cold, but I don't know what it's gonna be like once we get up there. But you guys are gonna get to see the amazing views. So especially like if you're a tourist, this is like one key place that you have to go, which is like the Brooklyn Bridge, okay? Oh, y'all like my little tags? Black Power. Look here, y'all. NYPD. Black Power. That means me to shut up. And my other little tag. And SARS. Okay, cool. So we are going to the Brooklyn Bridge today. And I'll be back. I gotta get around this cop car and I'll be back, y'all. All right, guys. These are the steps going up to the bridge. This should be fun. The first time I ever walked this before, it took me like 30 minutes. But this time it shouldn't take me that long. So, as you can see these lanes, left lane is for walkers, right lane is for the bike people. The bike people will run your ass over, right? Because I think last time I came I had to smack one of them last time. But I didn't know. I was a tourist at the time. I didn't live here, y'all. So I didn't know no better. So I had to do what I had to do, okay? So make sure that if you're a pedestrian, you're on the left-hand side. And if you're riding a bicycle, you're on the right-hand side, okay? Okay, cool. All right, guys, we kind of made it to the main part of the bridge. Oh, poor lady. Go, lady, go. All right, y'all, we made it to the main part of the bridge. So I want to kind of like let y'all start seeing the views of what it looks like. And as you can see, he's on the right-hand side riding his bike. But you can see like all of Manhattan. Like, it's amazing, guys. The weather is so nice today. So I would say the best time to come is like the summertime, but you gotta come early in the morning. So it's like 8 or 9 o'clock right now. So make sure you come early in the morning so that you can get like some really good views or whatever. You don't have to deal with like a lot of tourists and stuff, or a lot of people like walking the bridge. This is the main bridge, as you can see, and it's like a mile long. So most definitely, and this is like the key place everyone takes photos. I want you guys to know that. Like, this is like your key place. So if you want to take an amazing photo, you go right here to take it. This is like the one you see always on Instagram. So I'm giving you guys the key factors. Take a look around, guys. And there's another bridge over there that I don't know the name of it. But I want you to show you like the great architect work that you see here. I mean, it's amazing, guys. All right, guys, I'm still walking the bridge. It's a long bridge, very long bridge. So take a look, watch this. Let me tell you something, these biking people gonna hit me. And I'm gonna smack the shit out of one of their ass too. So take a look around. If you can see in the distance, that's the Statue of Liberty, y'all. So, definitely come to the Brooklyn Bridge. It's like amazing. Again, it's one like the major tourist spot. Like, you have to come. Like, amazing photos, family friendly, dog friendly as well. So, you can bring everyone here. And let me show you another view. So we're gonna continue walking this good old bridge. I'm gonna walk the whole thing actually today, y'all. Also too, my Nigeria video is coming up soon, y'all. I just gotta finish the final edits, but they're gonna start populating too, because I know everyone asks me like, oh, when you gonna post the videos that you went to Nigeria? I'm gonna do it. Give me a second. Editing is okay. It takes a long time to edit them videos. These kind of videos like easy to do, but the Nigeria videos, like that's a lot of work because there's a lot of cutting and stuff like this. So my editing guy needs some time to do it. So I need to give him the respective time that he needs to do it. Oh, look at that view, y'all. Boom. Look at that, look at that, look at that photo. All right, you guys, I'm still walking. I had to take a little photo break, as you guys can see. So I like taking my photos. So we're gonna continue walking this bridge. And also, guys, thank you guys for watching my channel. Like, again, I've always said this humbly. You could have gone to anyone else's channel, but you have decided to come hang out with me, little old me, and I appreciate it. Actually, the day y'all hit 300 subscribers, which I was like really shocked. I think I'm doing okay. Like, you know, little YouTuber starting out. You know, trying to get my feet up off the ground. Y'all, I'm just trying to quit my job. Woo! Listen, the day I quit my job, we're gonna have a party. You hear me? We are going to have a party, and it's gonna be on me. We got a long way to go, but that's the objective. All right, so let me show y'all another view. Okay. I know y'all be like, well, we just saw that. Well, look at it again and see the highway too. I want my phone to drop down there. And then we can see the back of it too. And then, oh, I got a biker. So we're gonna cross over so you can see this view too. And y'all can see Manhattan too. Really, technically all this is Manhattan. And the cars and stuff like that. Just make sure that you go on the Brooklyn side. Also, the metro stop the subway stop you want to get off on is called High Street. And then you want to take Fulton Street. And then when you get off of Fulton Street, you want to make a left. And you'll see the sign, it says the Brooklyn Bridge. You can't miss it. Like, you can't miss the Brooklyn Bridge. You can't. All right, so here's another good view that you guys can see. Oh, this is a really good view, y'all. Look. I don't know about views. And literally, it'll probably take you maybe like 35 minutes to walk the entire bridge. Again, most people run the bridge. It's exciting to do. You know, let me get back on my side for a bike will come. But it's really exciting to do. I ain't walking back across this. Y'all can forget it. I'm being lazy today, y'all. But you can walk back across if you want to. But it's a nice day, though. It's a nice day in New York. Nice day to come out, have some fun, walk with your dog. That's what most people do. So we're gonna continue this good old walk, y'all. This is not a long video today. I just wanted to vlog the Brooklyn Bridge so you guys can get to see it like firsthand, like someone actually walking the entire bridge so you guys can see. Because you know, a lot of people, they take their little nice photos and then they on about their business. But see, I'm giving you the full tour of the Brooklyn Bridge. I don't know the history about it, but I'll put some of the history in the notes. And I'll put the location, and I'll also put how to get here as well. And it's free, so it's no cost. You basically get off the subway, and you walk up some steps, and you come to the bridge. So, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video today. And we're gonna finish out by looking at this bridge, and I'll see y'all on the next vlog coming out soon. All right, peace.